So now we are going to discuss about the experiment number 4, that is a determination of phase and line quantities in a 3-phase star and delta connection. That means in a 3-phase connection we have two type of connection. One is a star connection, other one is a delta connection. Now we are going to see the relation between the voltage quantities and the current quantities in case of 3-phase star connection and delta connection here, right? So this is the first thing. So we are going to discuss about the star connection. After that we will go for the delta connection. So this is a circuit diagram for the star connection. So now you can see here, this is the supply side, that is a 3-phase supply, means your 400 volts 3-phase and the 50 hertz supply you are going to give. And after that this is what your circuit diagram. According to the circuit diagram I will connect here. First thing, from the phase to the line current, so that is IL. So according to the circuit diagram I am going to connect here. So IL, so from the R phase to IL. So after this IL, so the another end of the IL, terminal of the IL should go to U1. So this is what a load. This is a 3-phase load. So we are going to give the star connection. We are going to measure the line quantities. What is the relation between the IL and I phase, and what is the relation between the VL and the V phase, we are going to verify here in case of star connection first. So after that, so you can see here, so this Y. So Y has gone to what? V1. So the Y phase is connected to V1 terminal. So after that, B phase, you can see the B phase. This is a B phase. B phase should be connected to W1. So I have connected the phases to this end. So after that, so again here you can see neutral point is there. So in circuit diagram if you see, so you will get to know about that. V2 and W2 are connected. So if you see the circuit diagram you will get a clarity. V2 and W2 are connected, and one end of the V2 should go to the emitter. So that is a phase. This is what a phase emitter, this is a line current emitter, right? So this V2 and W2 go to the phase current, right? So again another end of the phase should go to U2. Another end of the phase should be connected to the U2, right? So again, so after that voltages, we will connect the voltage values. So first line voltage, so this is a line voltage, this is a phase voltage. So I will connect the voltage here. So R phase, between the two lines I am going to connect. Okay, so this is what a line voltage, this is a phase voltage, right? So again, so just to, in order to take the line voltage, so between the any two lines, that may be a RY or the YB phase, you should connect the voltmeter across the two phases. This is what a line voltage connection. Right? So one more thing is what? Phase voltage. Phase voltage between any two phases. That means I will take the U phase of the load. So between phase, right? So again another end of the voltmeter to this. So this is what a connection. You can see the voltage, what is the circuit diagram is. According to the circuit diagram you should connect accordingly. So as I connected here, so after this, here you need to take the reading, two readings. So that means between the line quantities, that is IL and I phase.
Start.
So now we will take the reading of the IL and I phase and the VL and V phase here. That means the line and the phase quantities we are going to take the reading here. So first of all, before switching on the MCB, make sure that whether all the loads are off or here or not, right? So after that, switch on this button. So now in case of star connection, IL is equal to I phase and VL is equal to √3 into V phase. This relation you should know. That is there in the theoretical part. So again you can see here, so as I didn't switch on any load here, the current is 0 here, right? So once I switch on this one load, you just see, you should take the reading from here. You can see here 0.367 or the 3.8. So both the IL and I phase are approximately equal. You should take the reading this, right? So after that you look at the voltage values, VL and the V phase. So always VL is equal to √3 into V phase in case of star connection. This is what you are going to verify, right? So so you can take the two more readings. After switch on any amount of load, you can switch on. The current value should be same, and you will get the relation as VL is equal to √3 into V phase. So like this you can take 2 to 3 readings. This is what the star connection.